Alongside iOS 18 and macOS Sequoia, Apple has announced the new watchOS 11. While this update might not be stealing the limelight, it is adding several new features to your Apple Watch. In this guide, I will show you how to install watchOS 11 on your Apple Watch. To install the developer beta on your Apple Watch, you must sign up for the Apple developers website if you have not already done so. Thankfully, you don't need a paid account. Launch Safari on your iPhone and visit developer.apple.com. You can find its link in the video description. Tap the menu button in the top left corner and use the account option to log in with your account details. If you're signing in for the first time, you will get a splash screen explaining the developer account. Tap on the continue button to proceed. Scroll down the legal document and check the confirmation box. Now tap the submit button. Finally, tap the enroll today button to register as a developer. You can now sign out of Apple developers website. Once you have signed up for the developer beta, follow these steps to install the watchOS 11 beta on your Apple Watch. Launch the watch app on your iPhone and tap on general. Now open the software update setting. Tap the beta updates option and select watchOS developer beta. Now go back and you will notice that the new watchOS 11 beta is ready to download and install. Click the download and install button and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, it will automatically start updating your Apple Watch. Ensure that the Apple Watch is charging during the entire update process. And that's about it. It will take 10-15 minutes for the entire update process. Your Apple Watch will restart a few times and open with the new update. Before you go, click here to find out how to update your iPhone to iOS 18 developer beta. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.